Everybody loves a good autocorrect fail. You know, when they autocorrect it, but not really what you wanted it to be. I just press send anyway. I done done it a million times, man. These are some of the best holiday-themed texts from the site Damn You Autocorrect. All right, here's the first one right here. A mom writes to her daughter, "You are definitely coming here for Christmas, right? I am cooking ham." The daughter writes back, "Yes, and I'm bringing drugs." So mom goes off, "Oh, like hell you are. Don't you even think about bringing drugs into this house, Melissa." Melissa writes back, "Wow, chill, Mom. I meant I'm bringing Doug." All right, then here's another one. This is between two sisters. One of the sisters writes, "I do not know what to get Mom and Dad for Christmas this year." Her sister responds, "I know, right? They have everything. Dad is getting a new golf driver. Mom is getting touched by an Asian." So the other one writes, "I just burst out laughing in the cab. LMAO, what?" Then the reply, "OMG, touched by an angel box set." All right, here's one. A guy writes, "Our house for Christmas this year. You are coming, right?" The response is, "Yeah. You cooking or Allison?" So he writes, "Me, and I'm gonna dry hump the roast 3 days before." The response to that was, "Okay, that's a bad visual. On second thought, maybe I'll stay home, LOL." Then he says, "Dry humping? Oh, hell, dry rub." Hey, folks, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Remember, follow me on Facebook at Steve Harvey TV. Hey, folks, welcome. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click here to subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss a single hot new video. Some really good stuff. And then I want you to click here to see more clips from the show right now.